Hi guys, dito kami ngayon ni Mamita sa Isandra. We're doing the morning routine of walking, jogging. So far pinano tayo Mamita, 6 na ikot.
You know what?
But now it's raining.
I don't really move. Go back.
Yeah,
Because now it's starting to rain.
starting to rain.
Yeah.
Oh, say hi Mamita.
Hi.
Morning.
And then we go
There.
Yes.
So that it will be easily we can run from to our house if the rain will be pouring in our head. Okay,
So the house.
that is our house. Yan, bahay namin po. Ayan na ang ulan. And the sun is there. Yan. Umuulan pero umaaraw. Hey! Padin ka! Yun ang kababayan namin, si Banay, barkada ni Mamita. Lakad-lakad lang pag may time. Ganito ang retirement routine namin ni Mamita para galaw-galaw, para humaba ang buhay. Amen, Mamita. Yan. So ito ang ng senior. Sana ba yun? Ito ang housing. Housing. Pananim ng senior. Altarasa. Pero ito muna. Ayan o. Housing. Pananim. Garden. Ito ang opisina. Kubo. Yan.
Galing dun sa ano mo?
Partner ko, na nakatulog kagabi.
Ang nakatulog ng ano. Maganda. Fresh na fresh.
Ito ang basketball court namin. Ayan. Basketball court ang subdivision. Let's go, Mama.
Let's go.
It's raining. Okay, bye for now.